Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2014 Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4. Equipped with a 6.5-liter, 700 horsepower V12 engine and a 7-speed ISR transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a beautiful balloon white exterior color and Nero Ade full leather interior with white contrast stitching throughout. This Aventador is in excellent condition and comes well optioned, including pearl effect paint finish, shiny black painted Dione forged rims, red calipers, interior carbon fiber package, exterior carbon fiber package, navigation, rear camera, power adjust and heated seats, parking sensors front and rear, branding package, clear bra, transparent engine bonnet, and much more.